Over the last decade or so, there's been a shift towards video content managed by a very small number of video hosting sites. And I find myself following a large number of content creators who cover the topics I'm interested in and also help keep me up to date with technological trends. Now, as excellent as a resource as this can be, it tends to be distracting given its ad-driven funding model and can be a problem to have unfiltered content in a school. So, how can you reclaim your own mind? Firstly, some technical context. Chrome and Chromium-based browsers, including Microsoft Edge, use Manifest version 3. This makes it more difficult to block ads with those web browsers because it allows Google/Alphabet to slow or stop those ad blockers. Mozilla Firefox, on the other hand, delayed the implementation of version 3 for a little bit and has found a way to keep the ad blockers running. So at the moment, I'm actually employing 3 ad blockers: uBlock Origin, AdBlock, and AdBlock Plus. Links in the description below, just to sort of limit what happens. However, just recently, I found 2 other things that I'll be adding to my arsenal of stuff. The first is around removing distractions, because YouTube, it is a distraction, which is the Unhook app. So let's see, Unhook, that's the one. And so, yeah, it allows me to, on something like this, go in here, once I turn it on, hide my feed, control and redirect it straight to my subscriptions, or many of these other useful options. So I can hide whatever things I don't want popping up, and it gives me fairly fine-grained control for doing that. The second utility that I've found is PocketTube. This is more in the lines of actually filtering my numerous subscription feeds into general categories, so that I can actually then cut it down to go, okay, I want to check out stuff around the tech industry in IT. So I can go on that and then look at who's just updated their stuff in that area. So it takes a little bit of setting up for, I suppose, creating folders for your topic categories, but then sorting your subscriptions into those. But adding it to any browser is actually a fairly trivial thing. You can just go install for free. The same with Unhook YouTube, which is all of these browsers are supported. And then, of course, I've also mentioned uBlock Origin, AdBlock, and AdBlock Plus. All links in the description below. So yes, if you've got any comments or any suggestions of stuff I should look at, please let me know, because I'll circle back to this, because given that it is currently February 2024, these things change, and they change on a regular basis. All right, thank you for your time.